मंत्री रोहन आणि विजय सरदेसाईच्या IPBचेर बदलिल्ले भुमिकेवेल्यान काँग्रेसीन खर टिका केल्या.
For some who opposed this IPB before elections and who are now in alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party government, as I said, it is the mother of all U-turns, and it is very clear that they preached and spoke while in opposition for the sake of publicity. And they are now party to the reconstitution of the IPB because they are allies in this BJP government, and they are party to this codification of abuse of power. You see, this reconstitution of IPB as such has been an attack on GOENKARPONN.
बियर फॅक्टरीच्या निमतान IPB आड माड यात्रा काढपी गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या फुडाऱ्यांक मंत्रीपदां मेळटात ते बदलले म्हूण यतीश नायकान फोग काढलो.
की एक बियर फॅक्टरी सांग्यार जेन्ना IPBन ताका परमिशन दिलें तेन्ना थोडे जे आतां ह्या सरकारान घटक आसा थंय गेले, थंय वचून एजिटेशन केलें. काँग्रेस पक्ष प्रामाणीक सदांच IPBच्या अगेन्स्ट, आजूय अगेन्स्ट, तेन्नाय अगेन्स्ट. पूण हे थोडे जे आशिल्ले जे आतां ह्या सरकारान घटक आसा, जे आज BJP सरकारांत एलायज आसा, ते लोक IPBचे परवानगेची प्रोटेस्ट करपाक थंय सांग्यार गेले, एजिटेशन केलें, माड यात्रा केली, आणि आतां that same IPB which gave permissions is reconstituted by the BJP-led government, in which those who were then opposing are allies in this government.
BJPच्या युती वांगड्यांकडेन कसलोच कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम ना आणि आयडियोलॉजी ना, आसा ती फक्त सत्तेची हाव म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो उलयलो.
Common minimum program which is not being disclosed to the people of Goa should not be a comprehensive mismanagement plan. And therefore one thing is clear, that this government, which has come together as disparate voices, have no agenda for governance, have no ideology. They are there for the lust of power.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.